Stars Learning TV.
Hi kids, let's write the lowercase alphabets with me. So get your pencils ready. A, B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay! You did it! You have written all the lowercase alphabets. Good job, kids! Let's write the lowercase alphabets again. Let's start with the letter A. Make a small round circle and then a little stick down on the right. Now let's write B together. Draw a tall line down, then make a small round belly. Now it's time for C. Make a small curve just like a teeny open circle. Let's write D. Draw a straight line first, then a round circle on it. Now it's time for E. Start with a teeny line and then make a small curve around. Let's write F. Make a tall loop going down and a little line across the middle. Now it's time for G. Make a round circle and then a tail that goes down and curls. Let's write H. Draw a tall stick, then make a small bump to the right side. Now write I. Make a short line and a teeny dot on top. Let's write J. Draw a short line going down with a curl and a little dot on the top. Now let's write the K together. Make a tall stick, then two small slanted lines from the middle. One goes up, one goes down. Let's write L. Just a tall straight line down, simple as that. Now write M. Draw one short stick down, a bump and another bump. Let's write N. Make a short stick and one bump. It's time for O. Make a small circle. Let's write P together. Make a tall stick down, then a small round belly on the right. Now write Q. Draw a small circle and then a tail that goes down and curls the other way. Let's write R. Make a short stick down and a small curve on the top right. S. Make a little snake curve one way and then the other. Let's write T. Draw a short tall stick and a line across the top. Q. Make a small curve down and up. Let's write V. Make a small slant down and then up again. It's time for W. It's like V 2 times. Let's write X together. Make one slanting line and then another crossing it. Now write Y. Make a small V shape and then a tail going down. Let's write our last letter Z. Draw a line across, then a slant down and another line across. Yay! You did it! You have written all the lowercase alphabets. Good job, kids! Well done!
Great job, kids. To learn ABCs with all these amazing words. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.